Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to close your ANZ account. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to close your ANZ account. The first thing you need to do is to open the ANZ Bank web app. In your browser, go to the ANZ Bank website by typing www.anz.com. Click on Login in the top right corner. Then, enter your customer ID and password and click Log in to access your account dashboard. On your dashboard, look for Settings or Services in the main navigation menu. If available, use the search bar within the Help and Support section to search for Close Account or Account Closure. If ANZ provides an online account closure option, you will see Close Account or Close My Account once you click on Settings or Services in the menu. Then select the specific accounts you wish to close, which include checking or savings. Then ANZ will guide you through any necessary steps for closing your account, which may include confirming any pending transactions, transferring your remaining balance, reviewing any potential fees, or requirements for account closure. You may be required to confirm your identity through a one-time password sent to your registered mobile number. Once verified, confirm your decision to close the account. Then you should see a confirmation message on the screen, and ANZ may send a confirmation email or SMS. If further processing is needed, ANZ will let you know any additional steps or time required. If the account closure option is not available in the web app, contact ANZ Customer Support at 131314 or visit any ANZ branch to complete the process. You can also head over to the Support Center and follow the prompt to get in touch with ANZ. Now, once the process is complete, click Log Out to securely end your session. Now, I'd like you to note that some accounts, such as loan or investment accounts, may have specific closure requirements or may need to be closed in person. Now that's it. That's how you can close your ANZ account using the ANZ Bank web app. Kindly go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.